In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a OneNote notebook. If you've been given a OneNote notebook as a packaged file, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open that notebook using the OneNote desktop app so you can start accessing its sections, pages, and notes normally. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote app on your desktop. Make sure you're using the desktop version of OneNote, since that's where the import option for this type of file is easiest to access. Once the app is open and you're looking at your OneNote window, you're ready for the next step. Now go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu area where OneNote gives you options for managing notebooks, opening existing files, and working with saved content. If you don't usually use the File menu, take your time here and make sure it fully opens before moving on. From the File menu, click Open. This is the section where OneNote lets you access notebooks stored in different locations. Depending on your setup, you may see recent notebooks, cloud locations, or local file options. What we want here is the option to browse for the notebook package manually. On the left side, click Browse. This tells OneNote that you want to be looked through files on your computer instead of choosing something from your recent list. A File Explorer window should appear, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your notebook package is saved. Next, find and select your OneAPK file, then click Open. The OneAPK format is a OneNote package file, which is commonly used to export and share complete notebooks. Once you open it, OneNote will begin importing the notebook. Depending on the size of the notebook and how much content it contains, this may take a few moments, so be patient while it loads. After the import finishes, your notebook should appear in OneNote like any other notebook, and you can begin working with it right away. If you have trouble finding the file, double-check the folder where it was downloaded or saved before trying again. It also helps to confirm that the file extension is .1pkg, since other OneNote file types may behave differently. And that's it. That's how to import a OneNote notebook using the desktop app. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy to repeat whenever you receive another notebook package.